Hello, today I will show you top 15 things to do in Sassari, Italy. So let's start with the number 1, Porto Ferro Beach. Number 2, visit the historic town of Alghero. Number 3, Piazza d'Italia. Number 4, Piazza Castello. Number 5, Cattedrale di San Nicola. Number 6, Basilica di Saccorgia. Number 7, Lampianu Beach and coastline. Number 8, visit Asinara National Park. Number 9, Giardini Pubblici. Number 10, Chiesa di Santa Maria di Betlem. Number 11, explore Capo Caccia. Number 12, Fountain of the Rosario. Number 13, visit the abandoned town of Argentiera. Number 14, enjoy a fine meal at the Vecchio Mulino Restaurant. The last one, number 15, Museo Nazionale Sana.